Hey guys, it's her Sneeze and I'm back with another video. Today is a personalized video and they requested messy sneezing. That's what I believe it was. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Like I always say, my email is in the description always. It is sneezegirl111@gmail.com. Get your own personalized sneeze video. They start off at 20 and they get more as you want there to be more. So I'm just super happy somebody did it, and let's get started. During half of the video, or like right now, I might have to take off my lip gloss because I feel like it's gonna get messed up, but we'll see. I also pierced right here if you didn't know, and yeah. I'm gonna turn more this way so like I don't spit on my phone, cause that's not cool. Ugh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna wipe the lip gloss off. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Ah. Ah. My goodness. What's on my neck? Oh, none. I'm trying to make it messy, but like, ugh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh. 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 I gotta wipe off my camera. Okay, so by the time this video is uploaded, the person who ordered this personalized video will have been emailed, and please give me feedback on if you liked it or not, and everyone else, get your own personalized video. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more next time. I love you. Bye.